Give us an example, highlight a program that you would like to raise awareness to the listening audience about how you're enabling some of these capabilities to happen there at Verizon.
Yeah, thanks, Luke. There's so many examples, and I'm going to go to Plan B because Nancy talked a little bit about some of the contact center modernization that's happening in so many different agencies, which is such a great example of how we're really transforming the customer experience with callbacks, with bots, with some of the ability to now not have to get to an agent, not have to sit on hold for a number of minutes to be able to get your issue resolved. So what a great example of how we're helping a lot of agencies modernize. But another one that I'll touch on that I think is close to everyone is during the pandemic, everyone has had a need to get to their healthcare providers, and we haven't always had the opportunity to get to them in a physical setting. And so really proud of the work that Verizon has been able to do with the VA in providing access to some of these services and technologies to veterans across the country. We've been working with the Office of Connected Care now for a number of years. We've provided solutions via a mobile connection, a tablet device, to allow veterans across the country to be able to access their provider from the comfort of their own home. This is for regular visits, for checkups, and for sort of day-to-day activity. But it's also things that are really important in a pandemic, like suicide prevention, or being able to connect with a counselor, or just being able to connect with other veterans. So making sure that this experience is available, it's accessible, it's easy to use, and it's something that they can get access to on a regular basis is critically important. So the evolving platform that we're developing, the access to the technology, and then the inevitable deployment of more and more services to rural America to get more and more veterans access to these services has been critically important and something that we are very, very proud of. We're also working with the VA on innovating the future of healthcare. You may have read about some of our work over the past year with the VA, places like Palo Alto and others, where we've built the first 5G innovation lab inside of the hospital. So working with partners like Medivis and Microsoft to really create new and innovative ways for doctors to take care of patients, provide 3D and virtual reality imagery to be able to really identify what's happening and how do we best treat a patient as we go forward. So some things that you might think of as sort of future technologies that are being done today, and then basics like being able to visit your doctor in the home, a really, really incredible suite of solutions and things we're looking to continue to provide to veterans and others, and really help modernize the healthcare service and customer experience in that sector.